Alright guys, for this process we are going to be removing the front headlights, and I'm going to be putting these aftermarket headlights on. In order to put these aftermarket headlights on, I have to remove the front bumper. So we're going to learn how to remove the front bumper in the process of removing our front headlights and replacing them. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's get it. Alright guys, so there's a couple things we got to do here. Once you got your hood popped, obviously main goal here is to get the headlights out, but in order to do that we got to remove this front bumper. There's only a couple things we have to do for this front bumper. Let me go under here and show you. There's 2 screws on each side. There's 1 screw right here, and then there should be another screw right here. Mine's not there, it broke off, but there's 2 8mm screws right there, and also on the other side, same thing, 8mm screw right there, and there's one right there. Once you get those out, come to the center of the bumper. There should be 3 black tabs like this. 1, 2, mine's not there, and then 3. I only have 1 there. So just to show you how to remove these pins here, pretty simple. Grab a pair, pull down. I'm gonna get that pin out. Once it's out, the whole thing will just come out. There we go. Alright, got that pin out. Regardless, you know how those work. So right now I'm going to be unscrewing the 10mm screws on each side. Eight millimeter screws, not 10. Everything we're doing here today is 8mm. Alright, got those bad boys out. Now we need our E14. It's a star bit, a reverse star bit. Yeah, so E14. And underneath the bumper, you're gonna see where I stick this. There's 2 holes, one on the left side of the bumper, one on the right side of the bumper. Get this up underneath there and loosen those big bolts. Might need some pliers to get it out. Look at these bad boys. Those are some sweet looking screws. Oh yeah. Alright, set those off to the side. I think the bumper's ready to come out. Come off, actually. Bumper just slides right off. I want to say be careful when you're doing this. There's there's 2 wires over here and there's 2 wires over here. One's connected to your horn, the other one's connected to your fog light, so be careful. And it's clipped on a little bit too. There we go. Set it down nicely. Don't want to pull these wires, so unclip the horns first. And then you can set this down. Just like that. There we go. What's next? What is next? Sip of water.